Good afternoon. My name is Dave Harangi. I'm the CEO of Sentinel Biosensor, and we make state-of-the-art autonomous wearable vital signs monitors that detect deterioration at an early stage. The market we're addressing is the rising healthcare costs in patients aged over 65. And the number I'd like to draw your attention to on this slide here is that 13.7 billion number at the bottom there. That is the cost that NHS England paid to readmit 5.3 emergency admissions for the second or third time round after patients have been discharged. 40% of these admissions are from patients aged over 65. And as you know, we're living in a population that's aging rapidly, so this is unsustainable. The EU are aware of this, as we're currently spending 4.4% of GDP on patients aged over 65, and they appointed these 5 university hospitals that you can see at the bottom here to look at the problem and see how we could save the money. The universities come back fairly quickly, and their answer is early detection. We're actually just not monitoring people enough in hospitals and when we discharge them home, so the 80-year-old with the hip replacement develops sepsis or whatever and comes back in as an emergency. So the hospitals search the market for hardware that works in hospitals and homes and find there is none, and we are therefore going to have to build new hardware. So the EU issue a tender to the healthcare industry to build the next generation of vital signs monitors, and Sentinel applies for this tender. The competition we're up against are fairly hard hitters. All of the world's largest healthcare multinationals apply. These people have been doing it for a long time and have unlimited budgets, and Sentinel wins. We won on innovation and state-of-the-art, developing a state-of-the-art sensor, and we were awarded €500,000 to build our sensor. It has many unique properties. It works off-grid, does a bloodless, cuffless blood pressure as well. And then COVID hit, and our university hospital said, could you please modify the sensor to work for COVID, remove ECG and blood pressure? And the reason they need this is because they're aware that testing won't solve the problem. You can be infected 10 minutes again after you've been tested. And this is C-Detect. She is smaller than a credit card and monitoring all of the key COVID vital signs, looking for anomalies. There's a social distancing feature in it as well. And if C-Detect finds an anomaly in your vital signs, it's very simple. An amber LED, stay at home, do not come to work, do not go to A&E, self-isolate and stop the infection spreading. Traction, we have purchase orders and letters of intent for 1 million Sentinel units and C-Detect units. We've raised 1.8 million in grant and investor funding. 1 million of that was raised in the last month. And C-Detect is on target for a mid-July launch with some medical secret sauce that we will reveal on the day of launch. We're seeking a 2 million investment to bring Sentinel to market. Scottish Investment Bank will match fund. And if you're interested, please come and see me after the event.